Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll show you how to set margins. How to set margins while printing out. And the essence is to ensure that your page is well positioned before you click on the print button. To access this feature, you go to your page layout. You might be on the home tab, just click on the page layout tab. And under the page setup section, you click on the margin, the drop down arrow on the margin. Now we have different options of margins you can set. You actively on the normal. Right now you can see selected. You have the wide, the narrow, and the last custom. So it will also display the last custom setting that was used. Right. So we also have this option custom margin where you can set custom margins that suits your preference. Right. So I'll click on this. Let's explore this. So you can see we have the top, the bottom, left, right, header, and footer. And those buttons are available for you to either increase, decrease, depending on what you would like the outlook of your page to look like. Now, the margins to look like, you just position it. So you are free to either adjust any of this to your preference, right? So you also have the center on page. You can check this horizontally and vertically. By default, the margin is at the top end, left end of the worksheet. You can see it here. So when I click on check this, you see the position, it's now centered horizontally. If I check this, you see it's now. So it's this option is something you can also explore before printing out your worksheet, right? So I'll just click on the preview to see the effect of what we've done. Now you see it's well positioned. Again, you can also access the margins on the preview page. Like you can see it's on normal margin, so you can access it. The same option we that was displayed when we used the page layout tab to access it is also displayed here. You can also click on this for custom margins, right? So when you are done, you can now click on your print option, and there you go. Right, so let's go back to the worksheets area. Good. So that's how you go about exploring the margins option and how to set your margin before printing out in Excel. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.